So from here, I'm moving in 1 and 2 again. Simultaneously would be 1. Okay.
Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another of our Wing Chun stick fighting techniques. But before we get to it, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you again for your continued support, and have a great day.
So let's look at another variation utilizing more Wing Chun principles of they put pressure on us and we put pressure on them. So here, what we're going to do is from our stance, I'm going to interrupt the strike using a bu and a strike simultaneously. Moving in with the Quan and then moving outside the hand to follow up with a strike. So here I am in my guard. He swings around. I'm going to cover it with a bu and look to smash and dislodge this stick. So I don't care which way he pulls it back. This would dislodge the stick hitting in here. He comes back in with the round. My Quan stops. At this time, I'm going to come from underneath. Strike the hand and strike the face. So from here, I'm moving in 1 and 2 again. Simultaneously would be 1. Okay. Strike, moving outside. Quan, striking down at the hand. And from here, you can double up with this or check and come back across the top. So let's look at it one more time. Simultaneously block and strike, moving away from the force with the Quan, striking down on the hand, and striking to the face.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.